So just imagine you guys get your own personal assistant from Telegram and built on n8n, and it just runs 24/7. So all I asked it was, when is the World Cup starting in football 2026? What's the first game? Just sent a voice note and it came back with me as a whole text. So I created a Telegram bot and then I got it here. So let me take you guys through the n8n workflow. So here we are. So here we can see the workflow ran. If you go to executions, we can see that it's actually ran the whole thing. And when we go back to the editor, here all we need to do is we need to connect our Telegram. So we need to create a bot. Then we get a Telegram ID that we need to add. Once that's done, we go to the if node, and here is where it plays a role. So here we say whether we want it to be as a voice. If it's a voice, then it goes through, gets the Telegram file, it transcribes it with OpenAI that we can do. Then it goes to our assistant agent. It's simple, right? So here, let me show you. The user prompt is just the text. The system prompt here we can read. You guys can take a screenshot and you guys can use it. So it just says, you are a helpful personal AI assistant that communicates with the user through Telegram. Very simple, right? Then I've given it what capabilities, style, context it needs to do, the guidelines, and it needs to know what day it is. So once this is done, then it uses a model which is the brain that we need to give it. That's when it has access. Here I've used OpenRouter because I can use multiple across different platforms and LLMs I can choose. The main thing to have is a memory. So make sure your memory is safe. It can be, maybe you can keep it as 100 contacts or 50 contacts, depending on what you want. But make sure that's always on. Then it gets sent back to your Telegram as we saw here. So it's very simple, right? If you guys did find this useful, right, comment below and I'll send you the template of the workflow so that you guys can just put it onto your n8n and start working. Or you can just follow this step by step and it's simple. So if you did find this useful, please do like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you until next time. Pranav Automates.